What's up, guys? My name is Farmer here, and welcome back to more Minecraft Marketplace Maps, Part 2. I'm going to show you how to get more Minecraft Marketplace Maps. So, what you want to do is go to the Marketplace, click on the search button, click on the filters, click on Minecoins, then click on free. There you go. That's how you get all the free stuff. There's a bunch of stuff for free that you can do or play with some of your friends. So our first map is called Minecon Live Rush Race. This is by Everbloom Games. It's got a 4.4 star rating. This is the race map for Minecon Live 2019. Can you beat the scores you saw on stage? How about taking on the pro version of the course? Normal and pro versions, high score tracking, free gratis. And oh my goodness, this looks really good. So it looks like you do a little bit of parkour. Then you go pig riding, you go bison riding, you just do whack-a-fox. And that's all, I guess. Text is funny, bobs, free, cartoony, fast-paced, and replay value. Genres of minigame and racing. It's single player, so it's only one player, I guess. Alright. And the next map is going to be called Jig's Guide Redstone Basics by Jigarbov Productions. It's a 4.5 star rating. The description says the best way to get help. This world teaches you basics of redstone. Complete the voice tutorial and follow easy instructions as you learn about everything from buttons to redstone torches. Dozens of chambers showing every redstone component. Education made fun. Endless sandstone world to test in. Play with redstone at your pace. By Jigarbov Productions. And oh my holy, it looks really good. And oh wow, this looks really cool. I like it. So we have redstone, we have slimes. It's like the tutorials you just do. Everything about redstone is like little chambers. There's a lot of chambers here. This is the hallway, I guess. And that's it, I guess. Alright, the next one we have is Endangered Animals Philippines by Kubo Studios with a 4.3 star rating. It says explore the huge island of the Philippines. Learn about the national symbols of the Philippines and its the endangered animals. Talk to the natives and live on the most historical house that the Philippines has to offer. Educational world, gain knowledge about the Philippines. Explore the Philippines landscape. And wow, this looks really cool. So this is, I guess, this is a map for free. I guess. So we have, what is that? Like it's a tribe. I'm gonna say. We have a cow. Some more people. And this world's really cool. Oh, look at an old lady. I guess. All right. The next one for free is gonna be Disaster Defense by Shapescape. It's a 4.5 star rating, and it says protect your village from natural disasters in this fun educational game. Learn how to build homes that can withstand earthquakes, floods, tsunamis, tornadoes, and more through the power of Minecraft. Defend against natural disasters, story-driven learning, fun learning experience. And oh my goodness gracious. The trailer, the map for this looks really good. I like it. You got the Resilience Museum, volcanoes, and bamboo, and this looks cool. I like it. Alright, that is that one. Alright, here we go. The next map on the marketplace is Minecraft X Puma Sprint Dash by Blockception with 24 skins in one world. And the rating is about 4.4 star rating. It says strap on your brand new shoes and get ready to race on Minecraft X Puma Sprint Dash. Explore 3 interactive maps as you become the fastest player in the game. Collect items and gather upgrades while you speed through the city, jungle and Arctic. Battle your friends or go against the clock. 3 unique levels, 24 Puma skins by Blockception. This is the genres of minigame and racing. Players are single player and multiplayer. It can be up to 1 or 98 people. And oh my goodness. The teaser for this pack looks really good. I like it a lot. You just go racing make it to the end as fast as you can to go on like what is that? The construction and to the finish. They're all pretty good too. All right. All right. 3 more. All right. The next map we're gonna have is Grid Runners by Nox Crew. Just take on the Nox Crew Grid Runners, a minigame map made up of classic Minecraft challenges where you can craft, mine, and jump your way to victory. Compete against the clock for the fastest times and team up with all of your friends to find out who is the ultimate Minecraft champion. This is a free map created exclusively for Minecon Earth 2018. The genres are minigame racing, single player multiplayer again, and 99 people. Excuse me. But anyways, so you go different courses. We have iron, gold, diamond, and emerald. So we have the saloon. We have copy the build, copy the pattern, copy the painting, and it makes me run to the end, and you get to the finish line in time. All right, 2 more to go. All right. The next map we have is Bloom by Game Mode 1. And it says, enter a tranquil forest and discover a garden long abandoned. Outfitted as the new groundskeeper, you are ready to restore the estate to its former beauty. You discover and grow over 30 magical plants using all new 3D items. Customize your world with dozens of craftable 3D decorations. Repair, upgrade, and design the garden of your dreams. And this path looks really good. It's got flowers. Look at all these flowers. These look pretty cool. This is what it looks at night. So we have flower. We got a gardener. What is this area? This area looks really cool. We got some flowers here. Flowers over here. Flowers over here. We got some tables, benches, whatever you call it. We have mushrooms. I think, yeah. We have a gardener in the cave. We have a bed and a planter, and then gardener's right there. It says Bloom Skin Pack. It also has a skin pack too. So we have petal, willow, fungi, ivy, and rose. Alright, the last one we have is the theme park by Orville Studios. And it says, the theme park is on the brink of shutting down forever. Set out on an epic journey to earn tickets, repair rides, and restore the park to its former glory. Fully customized adventure, challenges, and mini games. 100 plus unique models, studio recorded voice acting, custom music and sounds, animated cutscenes by Orville Studios. And oh my goodness, the trailer for this pack looks really good. We have bumper cars, we have go-kart racing. We got like a park guy, whatever you call it. It's Reginald, remember my, it's like a little Monopoly guy, I think. And okay, this looks really like it's at night. We have the octopus. It's really cool, and it's a 4.5 star rating. And well, guys, that is the end of the video right there. So see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.